Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Momentis business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have simply studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving a number one bonus for the end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator of one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact, simple, three-step strategy that I used to hit the leaderboards for recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you in the next 30 days so that you never have to chase people again, so that you never have to cold message people, and this way you can attract highly qualified and targeted leads of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to learn my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the exact keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who've already accomplished what you want to accomplish, looking at what they've done, and creating similar content going after the same keywords. You're going to use a tool called TubeBuddy to speed up the process. This tool is going to allow you to go to the video you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank on Google and YouTube for to get more traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases. Your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You're going to create a description that's approximately 300 words long and scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description. You're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save that thumbnail as your primary keyword. Some quick tips. Don't reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. Now, you don't want to copy word for word verbatim exactly what somebody said, but you want to make your own 3 to 5 minute content that goes after the same keywords and use open broadcast system to share your screen. Save your video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You should find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out, and in this case, your target audience is like-minded network marketers. Once you find them, you're going to reach out to them with an enticing first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I decided to check out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought we should connect. It'd be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? By doing this, you're going to start to build your audience, and you want to engage with that audience on your timeline. You can do this by asking a question, making a fill in the blank, like I love my blank, quotes, post engaging pictures, and post blog posts. You want to set a goal to make 5 to 10 new connections each day. The Robert Kiyosaki and Tony Robbins fan pages, those are good starting places. You want to be consistent in these groups as people will get to know you from your comments, and you want to comment on the posts of others as well. Your mindset should be around making connections and not closing prospects. Find groups that interest you, and you can be social there as well. You want to be posting curiosity and not resistance. So that's 90% personal, 10% about your business. The 10% that's about your business can be the results of others or your own results. 90% personal. You want to post pictures of yourself, pictures of you and your family, food, inspirational quotes, and those kind of things. It's because a good curiosity post will have somebody reach out to you for more information. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. People may reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Great. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, And I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.